If you're 1 billion VND in debt, canceling Netflix or skipping morning coffee will never get you out. That's why traditional advice often fails. Math is against you here. With 27% interest, you're pouring more fuel onto the fire you're standing in. Ready to face the truth? Today, I'll show you 6 harsh but effective steps to kill debt and start living a rich life. Step 1. Slow down the debt speed. Most people attack the total amount. They feel overwhelmed, stuck. This isn't the most effective first move. The true villain isn't the principal. It's the accumulating interest, your APR. This rate is silently adding fuel to your fire, making progress feel impossible. So, step 1. Attack the APR directly. Don't just accept what they give you. Pick up the phone. Call your bank. Directly. This is crucial. Ask them, can you lower my interest rate? Be polite but firm. Also, inquire about hardship programs or financial assistance options. Many banks have these, but they won't proactively offer them. You must ask. Even a tiny reduction in your APR can save thousands of dollars over time. This is your first big win. It slows the bleeding, giving you breathing room. Step 2. Face the real numbers. This is where most people fail initially. We avoid confronting our debt because it's painful, overwhelming. You cannot defeat what you refuse to acknowledge. Ignorance is not bliss here. Take a deep breath. Get a physical pen and paper, or open a digital spreadsheet. You're going to list every single debt. Every single one. Column 1, the name of the debt. Is it a student loan? Credit card? Car loan? Column 2, the total balance. The exact amount you currently owe. Column 3, the interest rate, your APR. Reconfirm this number from statements. Column 4, the minimum monthly payment, what they require you to pay.
This table, this debt battle map, is no longer scary. It's empowering.
Now you have clarity. You see the enemy, and you know its weaknesses. This is power. This is your foundation for true debt destruction.
Step 3. Destroy the first debt. You have your map, now it's time to fight.
We use 2 proven methods, the avalanche or the snowball. Understand both. Avalanche method. You target the debt with the absolute highest interest rate first. You pay minimums on everything else and throw all extra money at that high APR debt. Mathematically, this saves you the most money on interest over the long term. The snowball method, you prioritize paying off the smallest debt first, regardless of interest. Once that's paid, you roll that payment amount into the next smallest debt. This method is designed for psychological momentum, giving you quick wins and motivation. Choose the method that best suits your personality and what motivates you most. The goal is to get that first debt completely off your list. Make it disappear. That first victory builds confidence. It proves you can do this. Then, you move on to the next. Systematically, relentlessly, until all debts are gone. Step 4. Stop suffering pointlessly. Many people endlessly cut small expenses. They skip coffee, cancel Netflix, eat ramen. This is called penny pinching. While good for awareness, it has very real limits. You can only cut so much, but increasing your income? That, my friends, is truly limitless. Focus on what I call the $30,000 decisions. The big wins. First, negotiate your salary. Are you being paid what you're truly worth? A small raise adds thousands to your income annually, compounding over years. Second, renegotiate your rent or mortgage. Your housing is a massive expense. Saving even a few $100s here can mean thousands each year. Third, reevaluate your transportation. That old, expensive car? Replace it or sell unused items. Declutter your life and free up significant cash. These are the big levers. Pull them and you'll see massive progress. Step 5. Solve the problem once and for all. This is about automation. You cannot rely on willpower alone. It's a finite resource. It will run out. We are emotional beings. When money hits your account, your brain wants to spend it.
The trick is to remove the decision. Set up automatic debt payments. Link your paycheck directly to your debt payments. Make it happen immediately.
The moment your salary hits, A portion automatically goes to your debt. You pay your debts before you even see the money, before you can touch it. This eliminates friction, willpower, and the temptation to spend. It just happens. Set it and forget it. Then, only spend what remains in your account. This pay-yourself-first mentality applies to your debt. It's truly powerful. Automation ensures consistency, even when you're tired or unmotivated. This system guarantees your debt destruction, setting you free. Step 6. Prepare for long-term success. Your debt is zero. Congratulations! But don't make the mistake of immediately splurging. Don't go wild. That money you are putting towards debt, redirect it purposefully. First, build a fully funded emergency fund. This is critical. Aim for 6 to 12 months of your essential living expenses, your safety net. This fund protects you from unexpected job loss, medical emergencies, or repairs. It stops you from going back into debt when life inevitably throws curveballs. Once your emergency fund is solid, locked down, and fully funded, then it's time for the real magic. Investing. Make your money work for you. Set up automated investments. Let your money grow passively, year after year. This is how the wealthy truly build wealth. Not by cutting lattes, but by intelligent systems. You've got this. Take these steps and start living your rich life today.